We're back. We're live on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange where the opening bell is going to ring in about a minute and 15 seconds. The futures right now are up just a tad. However, if memory serves, we closed a point above fair value to begin with. So we're in pretty good shape for this open. And rates have moved lower. The yield on the 10-year is down 4 whole basis points.
That's right. A lot of benign inflation data. A couple things I was watching, Mark. One was what we heard out of Peru. Third largest exporter of copper, actually, Peru is, which is interesting. And they had their first ever national strike. It turns out only about 30% of the miners at one of the biggest mines are actually participating. So that could mitigate some of the effects. But you got to keep a close eye as we watch this strike on copper as well as on zinc, because Peru is such a significant exporter of both of those. They're both up about plus or minus 1% in trade right now. And there's one other thing, Mark, I thought you'd think was interesting. 5th week in a row of people taking their money out of U.S.-based mutual funds.
Huh.
So you haven't seen the buy-in yet of the retail investor into the rally.
Okay. We also have another challenge, and that is that we are now pretty much through earnings season. The bulk of the earnings are out, and that means we start looking again at all sorts of crazy stuff.
Yes.
Sailors seized in the Middle East, that kind of thing's going to move the market again. Now that we've digested the earnings reports.
Exactly.
There is the opening bell here at the big board. Our market reporters are standing by, but first I need to tell you who's doing the honors on the bell. Here at the big board, Morgan Stanley Emerging Markets Domestic Debt Fund. Ticker EDO. And at the Nasdaq, Ilog, ticker Ilog.
Huh, how creative. All right, let's get to our market reporters now. They are standing by at all the boards that you need to know about. We begin with Mary Thompson with us at the big board.